So hi everybody, I received once a question: how can I find 5 random variables or random numbers that will equal to one given number, and I want these to be generated randomly. So one of the solutions I came up with is if we sum these values, so I'm going to sum these values, and these values, by the way, is just random between 1 and 12, you can see. And if I sum these values, then I'm gonna have, this is the formula, this is summation formula, and it's gonna be different every time. And if I press F9, as you can see, it's changing. Now what I want to do is that when this number, as I press F9, when this number is equal to 31, Excel should stop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to options, I'm gonna go to formula and enable iterative calculations, and I'm gonna set the maximum iteration to 1. Now if this is set, I'm gonna modify my formula. So I'm gonna use the if statement. If the summation is equal to the value I want for the row, I'm gonna keep the current value, which is in cell A1. So this allows an iterative approach. Now I can press enter and this is gonna change. Okay, so let's say it happens once, then this value will not change. Now to be able to drag it and have the formulas correct, I'm gonna fix the column F and column G. So I'm gonna use $sign to anchor F and G. A1 should be changing, and if I modify this, and to be careful not to go to the sum column. Okay, it's gonna change. Now I'm gonna press F9 and look at with me at this column. It's gonna this column is gonna start to be stable as the values are equal to the values on the right. So I'm gonna press F9, 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 F9. You see the 25 here is stable now. The values are fixed, and these are random. Okay, so here as I press, as you see, the numbers are equal. Now we have one value, and now it's done. As you can see, now all the values are random, and this is how we do it. And have a nice day.